Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn $100 each day using Canva. Did you also get shocked? Yes, what you hear is true. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's get started. Open a browser like Google Chrome, Edge, or anything. For this video, I am using Edge. Now open Edge and type canva.com and hit Enter. Now click on Login button and log into your account. Today I will show you how you can earn $100 a day. Simply follow the tips I show you in this video. First tip: sell digital products. Canva makes it super easy to design things like planners, resumes, journals, or Instagram templates. You can upload and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. People are always buying these kinds of templates. And the best part? You create it once and sell it over and over again. I will show a quick look on this. Click on the search bar and type ebook cover and click on Enter button. You can see you will find huge number of templates. Simply select any one of them, or you can create a new template. I am choosing a random template and click on Customize Template. You can edit the texts and images, and also you can add any elements. Let me make some changes here. And that's it, you're ready. Now simply click on Share button and download it. Now go to gumroad.com and sell your product. Open Gumroad and sign in with your Gmail account. Now click on New Product and select Digital Product and enter name for it, Component Placement. Now scroll down a little bit and enter the price of the product you want to sell it, and click on Enter button, and that's it, you will get paid when each product is sold. Second tip: offer. Freelance design services offer design services on Fiverr or Upwork. Use Canva to create YouTube thumbnails, logos, social media posts, and more. Many beginners are making $10 to $50 per design, and once you get a few clients, you could hit $100 a day easily. If you want to know how to create thumbnails or logos, I have already done a video on that. You can look on it. I will leave a link in description and I will leave it on the end cards. Now, go to Upwork or Fiverr and sell your templates. Third tip: promote Canva. As an affiliate, promote Canva itself. Join their affiliate program and earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. Add the link to your YouTube videos, blog, or even social media. Teach people how to use Canva and get paid for it. You can earn $100 easily by following the tips I mentioned above. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.